making angel food cake. Let's open the box. So here we have the egg white. And here we have the cake flour mixture. Okay, so you pour all of the water into the bowl. And then you take the egg white, take scissors, and you cut this. And then you sprinkle it onto the water. You may need to cut it a tiny bit more. And next we use our electric mixer. Put it on the first speed and start mixing. So this is when you know you're done, when it sticks up like this. And you take the mixer out. And you carefully and gently turn it over like this. And then, once you are doing that, you take this, but in small amounts. And then you keep mixing. And you add a tiny bit more. And then you keep doing the thing over and over again until your entire bag is empty. And you keep mixing. We have finished mixing all of the batter. Now we put it into the pan. So next, you smooth it out, but make sure you don't dig down in the cake batter. And then you put the oven at 375 Fahrenheit, and then you put the timer for 35 minutes, and you put it in the oven and wait.